My name's Tammy and I work at the Peel Field Centers. We always get questions on what do I wear when it's raining outside. I want to go outside, but I want to stay dry. So we have a couple of tips and tricks to help keep you more comfortable and help to keep you dry outside. So first one is, if you have a raincoat, wear it. Baseball hats are also great, as will keep the rain out of your eyes. Now if you don't have a raincoat, there are some options available for you to do. The first one is to visit a dollar type store with a responsible adult and maybe pick yourself up a poncho. It might be fancy, like this one that has a beautiful frog head on it, or it might be plain, whatever you decide. If you can't visit a dollar store, then further options are using what resources you have. So our next option would be for your teacher to ask your custodian for a roll of garbage bags. Lots and lots of them. The best ones are the ones that have a gathering at the top. And so what you're going to do is, for these next raincoats, you will need a marker and you will need some scissors. So you're going to place the bag on your face but not over your head. You're going to put the gathering at the top of your head. You're going to find your nose, and then you're going to use the marker to draw a dot on it, right? After that, you're going to be drawing a circle around the nose, and that's going to be where your head will pop through. This one's cool because it will give you a little bit of a hood. Now, if those are not options, then you can go to plain plastic garbage bags. Black ones, clear ones, blue ones, whatever color. And the thing is, then with these ones, we're going to draw a half moon shape where our neck goes. And we're going to cut that out for where our head goes. Options to stay dry and to stay warm while you're outside and more comfortable. But please remember, when using plastic bags, never put one over your head. You shouldn't be doing this without an adult, a responsible adult. You need to always make sure that you have a hole cut out for your head before you put the bag on as a raincoat. All right, have fun.